Hi, it's Seta here. This time the video will be a bit different than usual, because creating the scene took me over 15 hours, so instead of creating over hour-long speed design video, I decided to show you how the scene was created in a slightly different way. I also like to mention that the partner of this video is Nature Manufacture, creator of some of the best vegetation assets on the asset store, which I often used in my video. However, their latest assets, it's not nature related but modular, allowing you to create medieval and fantasy towns, castles, dungeons and strongholds. The package contains over 1000 optimized prefabs like walls, ornaments, doors, torch, rock, chains, cliffs, decals and so on, so the possibilities of what you can build with this are practically unlimited. I encourage you to check out these assets because thanks to it I was able to build the scene in this video. So enjoy watching and till the next time. See ya!